Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're here in the camp with our sister Jazia, Ahmed. And this is her baby girl, her youngest child, Ghadir. She comes from a place in Syria called Mansoura. She's been here for 4 years. She's been abandoned by her husband, unfortunately, and she's here by herself. Her eldest son is married, so he's not here. Her eldest daughter is married, so he's not here. So she has the little baby, Ghadir, and another son, but he's somewhere in the camp. When we were talking to her to get her story, I was affected by her animated actions and the fact that it is clear that this lady is at the end of the rope. She doesn't know what to do. Normally when people get excited and they, not for no reason, but they kind of like overreact, you want to calm them down and say, be patient. Didn't say that to her. You had to let that come out of her. Something that's inside of her that needs to get out. So for a person to even say to her, calm down, relax, I think it would be inappropriate. It wouldn't even be hikmah, because you would just be making more tahyij and agitation. So when the lady was pregnant with the baby, she was told there are going to be issues with the baby. And sure enough, that's what happened. The baby came out by Allah's qadr and the hikmah of Allah and the qudra of Allah. The baby came out, and the baby has 3 holes in her brain. As a result of that, the baby can't talk, the baby can't walk, and you can see what her situation is. She is 11 years old. Her condition has impacted upon her growth and her development. So the mother is from those people who have to work, and that is what was giving her izaj and making it very difficult for her. The fact that she has to go out to get money, but at the same time she has to take care of her daughter. Now, many people ask me, who do you think deserved the help the most on this particular day or this particular case? I never say this one or that one. But for me personally, this lady needs help just as much as this baby needs help. As you guys see this baby rocking back and forth and going through her thing, and you see this optic and this visual, I'm telling you, had you had the opportunity to see the woman, this lady, her actions, you can clearly see. As a mother, you know how difficult it is. So what I want to request from you brothers and sisters, and I ask you this by Allah, those of you who I know personally and you gave already, if you can find it in your heart to give again, specifically for this lady. Now, I've seen some really serious cases, as you've seen in these camps, but this is the one that really affected me. The response of the lady. The girl, inshallah, the pin has been lifted off of her, and inshallah, Allah is going to yatakaffal, take care of this kid, these involuntary movements, with your help. But this lady needs just as much help, just as much. So she needs help to be able to give the girl some medicine to manage her, to make her more malleable in terms of just dealing with her situation. So brothers, sisters, 250 pounds. 250 pounds to take care of one family, 50 pounds for one person. And I'm asking any and everybody that hears my voice, give to this case. Give to this case. May Allah give all of you prosperity and longevity, and may He protect our children. And may He subhanahu wa ta'ala save us, protect us from being tried with this trial. May Allah ta'ala accept it from all of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.